Hi everyone. I
Hi.
wish you could be on the side of the camera just before we press play because we have so much fun. It's almost unfair that we don't show you what we do. But what are we doing on this beautiful day, Sarah?
Well, we are going to do some DIYing.
Green DIY.
Yes, so in the quest to eliminate toxins from our home, there's so many things that you can, what? Sorry, I like to stir. I've got my bowl. And anyway, we're going to try and make our own DIY dishwasher tablets because it's one thing that I haven't replaced, and it's very hard to find something that does not have any chemicals in it. And
because I'm someone who doesn't like to do that kind of thing, I will just continue to buy bad things until something better comes along.
Until Sarah makes them.
Which she has. But we're going to show you. So we're just going to do a little pan over just to see the ingredients that we have.
Yes.
This is 1 cup of bicarb soda.
Yes.
And then we have this magical thing called citric acid, which Sarah's bought online. So it comes in a container like this, and we only need 1/4 cup of that.
Yes, so we're going to pop that in.
And then our all famous
On Guard
cleaner, which we only need 1 tablespoon of. So she'll pop that in when she's ready.
Yep.
And then some essential oils to make it really lovely and smelling good. So we've chosen lemon and lime today because both of them are really good for cleansing properties, but also for smelling good.
Nice and fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to add, now the thing is, if you've ever done a science experiment, I remember those old volcano things. Did you ever make one of them at school? Where you add like, I don't know, something red food coloring and baking soda, and then it froths up. So I didn't realize this would happen when I made my first lot. So just be aware, these are going to be a little frothy, but then it all works out in the end. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of concentrated cleaner.
You're going to add it all at the same time?
Yes. So I'm going to spread that around like that.
Oh, it's going to fry. We love it.
I'm going to add 5 drops of lime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 drops of lemon. It smells so good.
It does look like a volcano erupting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, look how awesome and yellow that looks. Can you see? I wonder. Oh my goodness, I hope you can see how yellow that is.
I'm going to stir that up. Oh, look, it's already getting frothy. Smells so good, you could eat it.
Well, don't.
No, I won't. I thought it reminds me of like a sherbet.
Yeah.
But I had to control myself. This isn't icing sugar.
It's not icing sugar, no. Please, at home, do not eat it because it's not icing sugar at all. But it's fun things to put into your dishwasher.
Yeah, so this is kind of it gets a little, I don't know, what do you call that, where it sticks together a little bit. The On Guard cleaner gives it that binding effect. Plus, it will add that nice little bit of detergency type thing in the
consistency.
Yeah. Okay, so once you sort of mix that all up, find an ice cube tray.
So we've got one like this.
Yeah.
But I love what Sarah did. She only had these cubes of hearts or flowers.
Yeah, so I had nice pretty ones. So what you do is we're just going to place it in the little cube container, press it down nice and hard, and I'm not going to do all of this right here because it's going to take time.
And then what do you do afterward once it's all in?
So once it's all in there and you've sort of cleaned up the top, you put it in the freezer. I left mine overnight. If it froths up, just keep pressing it down and filling it up a little bit more. But this is actually quite good.
It doesn't froth up too much
at
at all.
I'm hoping I haven't forgotten something.
All right, well, that's awesome. So that's how you make it. And then just as every good cooking show would have, we have pre-made some.
Yes.
So this is what they will end up looking like afterward. So a nice little, don't eat it. No. So just putting it into your dishwashing machine when
and you
already...
did try it, didn't you?
I have tried it. Yeah, I did.
What do you think?
Well, it worked. I think it's possibly not as clean as what I have been using in the past, but then again, I would way prefer to have a few watermarks and stuff on my cutlery and glasses that I can wipe away than having toxic ingredients in my body.
It's a bit like comparing bleach to other green products. Bleach just gets everything white, doesn't it? But we don't really want to use it. So it does clean. So I have used it as well.
Yeah.
And I find it works fine. Works
great.
Absolutely fine.
Yeah.
So let us know if you try this at home.
And let us know. There we go.
And if you want to and you don't have any oils, let us know too, because we can help you get your hands on some.
There are some amazing promotions happening in October for this month, which we'll be sharing out anyway
this week.
This week. But so if you are in the market for getting essential oils into your life, get in touch with us. And we look forward to hearing your responses if you already have oils and you're doing something like this in yours.
Yeah.
Ready to say goodbye.
Have a great day.
Cheerio, everyone.